Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will see a recipe from Mughlai cuisine, that is Shahi Tukda. It is a bread pudding made of bread deep fried in ghee or oil, soaked in sugar syrup and then piled high with rabdi or khoya and lot of dry fruits. So here I have taken few slices of fresh bread. You can take more slices according to the quantity and requirement. So here we will have to dry the bread completely. You can keep it in sunlight for a day or two unless it is completely dried. Before drying the bread, you can cut them into such shapes which will be easy for us to arrange at the end. Here you can make out with the noise that the bread is dried completely. Now let's start the recipe. Here I have taken all the dried bread slices, 3/4 cup of sugar, around 100 grams of unsweetened khoya, dry fruits finely chopped, 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk and oil. Now first let us make the khoya mixture. Into the khoya add some milk and mix it well. Add some more milk and mix the khoya until we get a soft consistency. The final khoya mixture should look something like this, which we will be applying on the bread slices. Next step is to make the sugar syrup. Into a bowl or a vessel, add the sugar, add some water, mix it well and let the sugar dissolve completely in the water and then start cooking it. Let the sugar syrup cook well and get thick. The sugar syrup should not be watery, else it would make the bread soggy. Once the sugar syrup gets thick, we will move to the next step. Now in a kadai, take oil or ghee. Once the oil is hot, add the bread slices and fry. Fry the bread on both the sides till we get a golden brown color. As the oil is very hot, keep flipping the bread, else it would burn. If the bread is fried too much, it would give a burnt taste. So we will be frying the bread until we get this color. Now fry all the bread slices in the same way. You can add 2 or 3 slices at a time and fry them in batches. As I said earlier, fry the bread slices until we get this color. Do not over fry them. Now we have all our bread slices fried. Now dip each of them in the sugar syrup. Dip all the bread slices in the same way and arrange it on a plate. Once all the bread slices are dipped in sugar syrup, apply the khoya mixture on each of the bread slices. You can apply more or less according to your choice. As you can see, I have applied the khoya on all the bread slices and arranged it in this way. Now add the chopped dry fruits on the bread slice. Add them on the alternate bread slice because we will be covering the other bread slice on top of it. Once the dry fruits are added, cover the other bread slice on top of it. Now it looks like a sandwich, and we also call this sweet as double ka meetha. Now keep arranging all these slices in the same way. Once all the slices are arranged, add some sugar syrup on top of all the slices because the real taste would come only once the sugar syrup is soaked well with the bread. So guys, do try this royal piece and enjoy with your friends and family, especially during the festive occasions. And as always, do leave your comments below.